Yes. Oh yeah, let's see. Let's take a picture in front of the grocery store. In front of the talking rabbit.
Pues aquí estamos ya, hora de comida. Y tienen un buffet de todo, o sea, mariscos, lo que quieras. Marco agarró pasta, pizza, tales. Yo agarré, pues,
Ahora solo falta que también me digas que estoy gorda.
un poquito de comida frita. Pero pues está bien.
Sí, fue muy divertido. Muy divertido. Muy padre.
Y todavía nos falta.
Check out both sides of our vehicle, all these movie posters lining the street. These posters represent just a small handful of the now over 8,000 different movies that we've been making here. Right next to him, though, that is one of Tom Selleck's red Ferraris from Magnum P.I. I wouldn't get too excited, though. We got two vehicles here from Too Fast, Too Furious. That is Universal's highest grossing franchise now of all time. Here, there are cages on both sides. Don't need to panic, guys. If you look, oh god, these cages are... Oh no! Guys, I am so sorry. You know what, Les? I think I dropped my phone. It's just right back here. So sorry, guys. Real quick.
No!
Yeah, it was just over here. Do you guys see my phone around here? I don't see a phone. I do see some more dinosaurs, though. Oh, guys, I'm so sorry. It's actually right here in my hand the whole time. But I think I dropped my phone, guys. You thought they were bad. Check out what she does. 1 sec. Just kidding.
Oh.
So looking, so we're going to give you a little weather demonstration now. We're here in Old Mexico. We're going to create a thunderstorm in this clearing over to your left-hand side. So let's start by kicking on some thunder and lightning. There we go. So guys, that thunder you hear just comes from speakers. They are hidden throughout the area. The lightning, that comes from strobe lights. They're located up on the rooftops of our buildings. So let's get some rain going now. Here we go, guys. In 3, 2, 1, we have the rain.
Wow.
Now the rain is real simple. If you actually look up above, guys, you can see where it's coming from. It is an overhead sprinkler system. Those sprinklers just shoot the water straight up into the air. It falls back down to the earth naturally. It is that easy. A few sprinklers and a bit of gravity. You guys too can make some rain at home. There is one catch though with our weather effects. You see, if we keep them on for a solid as long as we have now, take a look up that hill, everybody. That's right. We're bound to make a flash flood. So this will be where you all take cover. Or keep taking video. It is your life. You can't say I didn't warn you.
Oh my god, no!
Hey, you all chose the seat you wanted to sit in. I am just a messenger here, guys. So we use that flash flood effect for a